ate 2 bananas a day for 30 days, and here's what happened. Bananas don't get much credit, despite being one of the most popular foods in the world. Somehow they just became underrated without people knowing their amazing health benefits. Today's the day to change your mind about this wonderful fruit. If you eat 2 bananas a day, your body gets a whopping dose of antioxidants and a special protein that helps fight against cancerous cells. Aside from those 2 huge health perks, there are tons of other benefits you can get from having 2 bananas every day for a month. To know more about these positive effects, continue watching. Number 1. Fights depression. Depressed people normally have low serotonin levels. Bananas carry a unique ingredient called tryptophan. When this enters the body, it converts into serotonin. As a result, it helps alleviate symptoms of depression by improving your mood and relaxing your body and mind. Number 2. Increases energy levels. 2 bananas a day is enough to give your body natural sugars, glucose, sucrose, and fructose. On top of that, it contains a good dose of fiber, minerals, and vitamins, thus providing you an instant and long-term boost of energy. Number 3. Enhances memory. Not many people are aware of the memory-boosting effects of bananas. This is thanks to the high levels of magnesium, potassium, and tryptophan present. All those ingredients help improve and sustain your memory. Number 4. Treats constipation. It may not be the most pleasant topic, but it has to be discussed. Anyway, bananas are rich in fiber, and fiber, as you may already know, helps in regulating bowel movements. Moreover, it's easily digested, which makes it great for those with gastritis. Eating bananas also helps restore the lost minerals when you have diarrhea. Number 5. Treats stomach ulcers. Bananas have a soft texture, so they won't cause pain, and instead coat the stomach's lining in case of stomach ulcers. Aside from this fruit also contains citoindocides, a compound that prevents and heals ulcers. Number 6. Alleviates heartburn. Bananas are classified as low-acid fruits. As such, they're good at relieving heartburn or acid reflux, and all the associated unpleasant symptoms. Because of their very low acid content, bananas coat an irritated esophageal lining, hence strengthening mucosal defenses against reflux. Number 7. Aids in weight loss. If your waistband feels tight, start eating 2 bananas a day. It carries a kind of starch that curbs your appetite and prevents you from gaining weight. Furthermore, its high potassium content balances salt in the body and acts as a diuretic. Number 8. Eases nerves. Eating bananas regulate blood sugar levels, which is very helpful when you're stressed. Moreover, they're rich in vitamin B, thus soothing the nervous system and relaxing the body. Number 9. Keeps your heart healthy. Given the chock full of nutrients and vitamins found on bananas, it's no secret that it's great for your heart. Additionally, vitamin B6 and C and fiber help lessen the risk of cardiovascular disease. So, are you convinced now? Are you ready to incorporate 2 bananas in your daily diet? Comment your thoughts below.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.